Oftentimes in chair making, you need to be able to start or stop a cut in the middle of a part. Sometimes that's caused by tear out. Other times it's just because the part is too long and you can't make a continuous cut from one end to the other. When you get in a situation like that, you need to have a strategy for entering and exiting the cut. If I just set this Spokeshave down, pull forward, and then back up, there's this little curl of wood that's still stuck. And if I break that off, I'm going to have a little bit of tear out there. Likewise, if I set my blade down and just start cutting, kitty, Petra wants to be a star of the show, or was I? If I set my Spokeshave down and just start cutting, there's going to be a little indentation where that cut started dramatically. So let me help you with a strategy to make these cuts cleanly. So if you think of the front of the Spokeshave as the toe and the back of the Spokeshave as the heel, you want to be rolling in and out of the cut on the toe. So that means when you start the cut, the Spokeshave is up on the toe, and as you start the cut, it drops down, and when you come out of the cut, you roll back onto the toe to exit the cut. That allows the blade to cut its way out instead of breaking off just by picking up, or when you pull back, leaving a little pigtail. So in practice, that looks like this. And you don't have to slide the toe of the Spokeshave on the way back. You can pick it up. Just be careful to set it down gently so you don't have a dent where the toe touches for the first time. I like to just very lightly let it slide back along the work as I return to the starting point of my cut. So if you just remember to roll into and out of the cut from the toe every time, you'll end up with nice, smooth, clean starting and ending points at the beginning and end of every stop cut.